Welcome to the wealthy path, where your income doesn't define your destiny. What if I told you that you could become a millionaire, even if you're making minimum wage? Sounds impossible, right? But countless everyday people have done exactly that, without winning the lottery, without inheritance, and without high-paying jobs. In this video, I'll show you the exact path that turns small paychecks into massive wealth, step by step. No fluff, just strategy. This video is for those who feel like becoming a millionaire is a far-fetched dream, especially on a low income. Becoming a millionaire is not only for the privileged few. It's a journey that anyone can embark on, regardless of their starting financial situation. Today, I'm going to share 17 actionable steps that will guide you towards achieving millionaire status, even on a low income. Step 1. Shift to a millionaire mindset. The first step is to adopt a millionaire mindset. This involves cultivating positive money habits and beliefs that will shape your journey towards financial success. It's essential to break free from limiting beliefs that suggest that becoming a millionaire is unattainable, especially if you have a low income. Instead, embrace the idea that with determination, smart planning, and consistent effort, you can achieve your financial goals. Step 2. Focus on how much you keep and grow. Shift your focus from how much you earn to how much you keep and grow. Track your expenses meticulously and identify areas where you can cut back to increase your savings rate. Remember, it's not about drastic measures, but about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Step 3. Understand compound interest. Grasp the concept of compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process where your earnings generate further earnings, creating a snowball effect over time. For example, if you earn 10% annually on your savings, your $100 becomes $110, then $121, and so on. This exponential growth can significantly boost your wealth, especially when it comes to long-term investments. Step 4. Practice delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is a powerful tool in your journey towards becoming a millionaire. It means resisting the urge for instant pleasures in favor of long-term goals. Instead of spending every paycheck, commit to saving a portion of it. By practicing delayed gratification, you'll be able to invest your money, which will grow over time. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle excessively. Lifestyle inflation is the tendency to spend more as you earn more, which can hinder your progress towards becoming a millionaire. Stay mindful of your spending habits and prioritize saving and investing instead of keeping up with materialistic desires. Step 6. Live below your means. Living below your means is crucial to becoming a millionaire. It means spending less than you earn and allocating the surplus towards savings and investments. By adopting this approach, you'll be able to steadily grow your wealth without constantly worrying about your finances. Step 7. Track every dollar. Track every dollar that comes in and goes out of your budget. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or other tools to monitor your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and make informed financial decisions. By being aware of where your money is going, you can better manage your finances and allocate funds towards your millionaire goals. Step 8. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money, and it will gradually accumulate over time. You can also automate your investments by setting up regular contributions to your investment portfolio. Step 9. Save at least 20 to 30% of your income. Aim to save at least 20 to 30% of your income. While this may seem challenging initially, especially on a low income, it's essential for building wealth. Start by saving what you can and gradually increase your savings rate as your income grows. Every small step counts towards your millionaire goal. Step 10. Invest early in index funds or Roth IRA. Begin investing your savings as soon as possible. If you're in your 20s or 30s, Consider investing in tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA. Index fund investing is a great way to start as it offers diversification and long-term growth potential. By investing early, you'll benefit from compound interest and be well on your way to building wealth. Step 11. Use compound growth to build wealth. Leverage the power of compound growth by reinvesting your earnings to accelerate your path to becoming a millionaire. For example, if you earn 10% annually on your investments, reinvest those earnings to increase your investment value by 10% each year. This compounding effect can significantly amplify your wealth over time. Step 12. Start with just $5 a day in savings. If saving a large amount seems daunting, start with just $5 a day. That's $150 a month. Over time, this small amount can grow substantially. Use the other tips mentioned in this video to amplify your savings and set up automatic transfers to make saving effortless. Step 13. Develop high-value skills. Investing in yourself is crucial. Identify marketable skills that can enhance your earning potential, such as coding, sales, or design. Acquire these skills through online courses, boot camps, or certifications. By expanding your skill set, you'll open doors to higher-paying job opportunities, propelling you closer to your millionaire status. Step 14. Create side income streams. Explore freelance work, YouTube, digital products, or other side hustles to boost your income. These ventures allow you to monetize your passions and expertise, providing additional avenues for financial growth. Dedicate a portion of your earnings from these side hustles towards your savings and investments to accelerate your path to becoming a millionaire. Step 15. Increase income slowly over time. Gradually increasing your income is a sustainable approach to becoming a millionaire. Focus on career growth within your field or explore new job opportunities that offer higher pay. By advancing in your career, you'll boost your earning potential and contribute to your millionaire journey without taking drastic measures. Step 16. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Utilize online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to offer your services and generate additional income. These platforms provide a global marketplace for freelancers, allowing you to showcase your skills and find clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, developer, or virtual assistant, these platforms can help you monetize your talents and contribute to your millionaire journey. Step 17. Follow examples like Ronald Reid or Grace Groner. Draw inspiration from individuals who achieved millionaire status on modest incomes, such as Ronald Reid, a janitor who became a self-made millionaire through thrift and investing, or Grace Groner, who built a significant fortune as a waitress and investor. Their stories demonstrate that it's possible to achieve financial success even on a low income with determination and smart financial habits. Throughout this journey, it's crucial to remember that building discipline and consistency is key. As you continue to educate yourself about personal finance, invest wisely, and control your spending habits, you'll gradually move closer to your goal of becoming a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and strategic planning. By implementing these 17 steps, you can pave your path to financial success even on a low income. Time plus consistency plus growth equals millionaire. Remember that setbacks are temporary, and staying focused on your long-term goals is essential. With commitment and persistence, you can achieve your desired financial status. I've been inspired by individuals who have achieved millionaire status on modest incomes, and it's evident that it's possible to build wealth regardless of one's starting point. Low income should not be perceived as a limitation, but rather as a starting point. By embracing the principles outlined in this video and remaining steadfast in your pursuit of financial success, you can undoubtedly become a millionaire. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.